Welcome to Retrocoder. I'm Nate Boffman. Welcome to the Retrocoder. I'm Nate Boffman. This episode, I'm going to take a perfectly good, well, not necessarily perfectly good, but about 7-8-year-old laptop, and I'm going to retrograde it, or basically downgrade it to DOS. But it's going to run so smooth because it's going to be a badass DOS machine. Well, let's go ahead and check it out. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, I decided to go with FreeDOS. It's a very lightweight operating system. Like it says right here, it only requires 10 megabytes to install. 81 megabytes installs everything. That includes all the packages. And when it does install, it's really quick. But from there, once you do download the operating system, that's what we're going to use to retrograde the system. You want to burn the ISO image. And I like using CD Burner XP. It's been around for a long time, but it still manages to work on all my systems. So I go ahead and create an ISO file. And once that file is done burning, I'll go ahead and install it. And the installation doesn't take long at all. I obviously already started, as you see. We'll go ahead and reboot the computer. And I'll go ahead and wave, as you can see me in the computer screen. How you doing, all? You know, but I just got a little country there, which is lame. But anyways, there it goes. It loads right away. But if we're going to load DOS onto this system, well, it's not right away. But once this does all this, that's it. It's loaded. But now that I got FreeDOS on the system, we need to put a program on there. So let's go ahead and try out Maddog, which is the original disc, which is pretty cool. This was a disc that I got. It ought to have been in elementary school. This is over 30 years old. This is from the 90s. Maddog 2. And this definitely, with a new system, installs super fast. But what's really cool is the video graphics once this is installed, because the resolution is still absolutely terrible, but it still runs fast and efficient and everything. It's actually pretty cool. And let's go ahead and install it. It should only take a couple seconds. Sorry about the jiggling in and out. It looks like the autofocus on my camera went a little crazy there. Alright, so now it's installed, so let's go ahead and run it and see what happens. Awesome! Look at those amazing graphics. And we'll go ahead and look at some of the video. But the thing is there's absolutely no sound. And I know there's a way to download a driver or some sort to be able to get sound on FreeDOS, which I'll save that for another video, and we'll get sound. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Until next time, thanks for watching. Sit, Phoebe, sit. Good cat.